Hello to everyone, especially to the students who enrolled in College of Engineering, BS Maths, BS Physics, BS Chemistry, BS Stat, and BS Education Major Maths. And to those students that your courses were not mentioned, just take an easy, just relax. As long as you enroll this subject for this semester, which is Integral Calculus, I would like you to invite to study with me today. My topic is all about basic integration involving partial fraction. Okay? So when we say partial fraction, it depends on the denominator. If we have quadratic, irreducible quadratics, we will just continue the variable. It's a, b, c, and so on and so forth. And then we just add x. Okay? So to illustrate more, I would like to discuss this given integration on the board. Okay? So I have now integral of x squared minus 3x plus 5 over x cubed plus 8 dx. So take note, we cannot divide because our numerator is smaller than the variable x. Take note, the denominator is bigger than or the larger in terms of the exponent. So we cannot divide this in using long division method. Okay? So instead, I will factor out first and then I will apply partial fraction. Partial fraction, right? So take note, x cubed. How to factor this denominator? So this is cube, sum of two cubes. So I can write this one as x raised to the power of 3, then plus 2 raised to the power of 3. Okay? So if we will simplify, that will be x cubed. Then plus 2 to the power of 3, that is 8. So of course, this will be x plus 2. Then this will be x squared. Then this will be minus 2x. Then this will be plus 4. Okay, let us check. Let us recall our knowledge in high school, because this is discussed during our high school days. If we will multiply, let's take x squared minus 2x plus 4. Then multiply for the first factor, which is x plus 2. This is a matter of practicing multiplying the trinomial and binomial. So this will be x cubed. Then minus 2x squared. Then this will be plus 4x. Then this will be 2x squared. Then minus 4x. Then this will be positive 8. Okay, so bring down x cubed. What happened to the second term? This will be crossed out because negative, positive. How about the third term? That will be crossed out. So I come up with x cubed plus 8. So meaning the factors are correct. So meaning this will be a over x plus 2. Then this will be, since this cannot be factor, this is irreducible. So meaning I'll just add x in here, then this will be plus 6. Then this will be over x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay? Okay, so allow me to erase this portion. Actually, this knowledge is from our algebra during our high school days. So that's the sum of two cubes. Okay, I will erase. Then I will apply rational fraction. So this will be x squared. This will be x squared minus 3x plus 5. Then this will be over x cubed plus 8. Then this will be equal to a over x plus 2. Then plus bx plus c. Then this will be over x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay? Then I will multiply both sides by x cubed plus 8. Then this one also at the right side. X cubed plus 8. This will be x plus 2 times x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay, don't worry about the left side and right side. They are the same. If we multiply this one, so the same. So, multiply, this will be crossed out. So, I have now x squared minus 3x plus 5. That's the left side. How about the right side? So, I will multiply to a. So, x plus 2 will be crossed out. So, this will be a times x squared minus 2x plus 4. Then, this will be plus. Multiply to the next. So, I know circle brackets bx plus c times. This one will be crossed out. So, I have now x plus 2. Okay? So, since I have x plus 2 in my denominator, then I have x squared minus 2x plus 4. It should be equate to 0. Then I can have now x plus 2 is equals to 0. Then x equals negative 2. The second factor cannot be factored out. Okay? So, instead of factoring, we will use coefficient of x squared and then coefficient of x. Okay? So, at x equals negative 2. So, this will be negative 2 squared, then minus 3 times negative 2 plus 5 is equal to a. This will be square brackets, negative 2 squared, then minus 2 times negative 2 plus 4. Then plus circle brackets bx plus c, then this will be negative 2 plus 2. Okay? So this will be positive 4. Negative, negative, that will be positive 6. Then this will be positive 5. Then this will be equal to a. Circle brackets, this is positive 4. Negative, negative, that will be positive. Negative, negative, that will be positive. Okay, plus 4. So there are 3, 4, 4 inside the circle brackets. Then this will be bx plus c. Then this will be 0. Because negative 2 plus 2, that will be 0. So I have now 15 is equals to a. 4 plus 4 plus 4, that will be 12. Then this will be 0. Then I have now 15 is equals to 12a. Then divide both sides by 12. At the right side, 12 will be crossed out. So I have now a is equals to 15 over 12. Then reduce to lowest term. 15 and 12 can be divided by 3. So I have now 5 over 4. So meaning a is equals to 5 over 4. Okay? So I will write in here a is equals to 5 over 4. Okay? Then, since we cannot factor the second factor, so the denominator, so we will take coefficient. So this will be second coefficient of coefficient of x squared. We have x squared, right? That will be x squared. That will be 1. Then, x squared. It should be at the right side, so I'll be having x squared. So I have now a x squared. Then this will be plus b x squared. Okay, so factor out at the right side. So this will be common is x squared. Then I have a plus b. So divide both sides by x squared. Cross out. So this will be 1 is equals to a plus b. Okay? Then plug in the value of a, which is 5 over 4. 1 equals 5 over 4 plus b. So 1 minus 5 over 4 is equals to b. Now what's the value of b? b is equals to LCD will be 4. So multiply by 4, then minus 5. So therefore b is equal to negative 1 over 4. Okay? So b is equals to negative 1 over 4. Then how about c? Then we proceed to coefficient of x. Okay? So let's do in here coefficient of x. Coefficient of x. So we have x, 3x. So this will be 3x. is equal to, let us simplify first. What are the x? Negative 2ax. Then what else? bx and cx. Okay, let us multiply this one to make it easy. Bx plus c, then multiply by x plus 2. So this will be bx squared, right? Then plus cx, then plus 2bx, then plus 2c. So I have now, the product will be bx squared plus cx plus 2bx, then plus 2c. So I need a variable of x, so this will be plus cx, then plus 2bx. Okay? So, this will be negative 3 is equals to, factor out the common is x. This will be x. Then I have negative 2a, then plus c, then plus 2b. Okay? So, divide x both sides. So, x at the right side will be crossed out, and also at the left side. So, I have now negative 3 is equals to negative 2a plus c plus 2b. Okay? Then plug in the value of a and b. So I have now negative 2 times a is 5 over 4. Then plus c. Then plus 2. b is negative 1 over 4. So this will be negative 3. This will be crossed out. Divide by 2, that is 2. So I have now negative 5 over 2. Then plus c. Then minus, because positive times negative will be negative. This one, divide by 2, 1. Divide by 2, I have now 1 over 2. Okay? Allow me to erase this portion. Also in here. So this will be negative 3 is equals to negative 5 over 2. Then I will combine in here 1 over 2. Then plus c. Okay, so I have here negative 3. Then LCD will be 2. This is 2. Then this will be negative 5. Negative 1, right? Then this will be plus c. So negative 3. Negative 6 over 2. Then plus c. So negative 3 is equals to negative 3 plus c. Then I will transpose to the left. That will be negative 3 plus 3 is equals to c. So negative 3 plus 3, that will be 0, is equals to c. So therefore, c is equals to 0. So I have now c is equals to 0. Okay? So I will start integrating. Okay? Okay? This will be integral of square brackets. Then this will be dx. Okay, so I will split the integral. So this will be a dx over x plus 2. Then plus integral of bx, circle brackets, plus c. Then this will be dx. Then this will be over x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay? So, plug in the value of a. So, a is 5 over 4 dx. Then this will be x plus 2. Then this one will be plus integral of b is negative 1 over 4 x. Then c will be 0. Then this will be dx. Then this will be over x squared minus 2x plus 4. So this will be, I will isolate from the integrand, then I will place outside. This will be 5 over 4. Then integral of dx over x plus 2. Then same with 1/4. So this will be 0. So I have now minus 1 over 4. Then integral of x dx. Then this will be over x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay? So allow me to erase this portion. So since the numerator cannot be simplified using assuming the value of the denominator will be u, so I will make a trick for this numerator. So I have now x is equals to 1 over 2, then circle brackets, 2x minus 2, then this will be plus 1. Okay? So if I multiply this one, take note that it should be the same with the left side. So this will be 1 over 2x. So 1 over 2x, then this will be minus 1 over 2 times 2. Then this will be plus 1. Take note, it should be at the right side will be the same as the left side. So 2x over 2, then minus 2 over 2, then plus 1. So cross out, so that will be x. Then this will be 2 divided by 2, that is 1, plus 1. So the answer is x. So meaning x is equals to x. So meaning this factor will be correct to come up with x. Okay? So I will erase. Then I will use this one as my I'll just do this one as equal to 5 over 4, then integral of x dx, I mean x plus 2, then this will be minus 1 over 4, then integral of 1 over 2 times circle brackets 2x minus 2, then plus 1, then I will use square brackets, then this will be dx. So take note, I forgot to write the denominator, sorry. It should be in here. I will extend my integration symbol. So this will be x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay? So there are 2. So this will be 5 over 4. Wait. Let u first, u will be x plus 2. Then du will be dx plus 0. So this will be du is equals to dx. Okay? So I will split also. There are 2. So this will be 5 over 4. Then integral of dx is du. Then x plus 2, that will be u. Then minus 1 over 4 times constant should be placed outside. So this will be 1 over 2. Then integral of circle brackets 2x minus 2 dx, and then this will be over x squared minus 2x plus 4. Then I have minus minus 1 over 4, because this is included for the whole thing. Okay, so this will be integral of dx over x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so I think I will write in here. So 5 over 4, I'll just do in here. So this will be 5 over 4, then integral du over u, that will be ln u absolute. Okay, then this will be minus 1 over 8, because 1 times 1 is 1, 4 times 2, that is 8. Then I have the integral of circle brackets 2x minus 2 dx. Then this will be over then this will be x squared minus 2x plus 4, then minus 1 over 4, then integral of dx over x squared minus 2x plus 4. Okay, so this will be equal to 5 over 4 times ln absolute x plus 2. Okay, then this will be minus 1 over 8. U will be x squared minus 2x plus 4. So du will be 2x minus 2. Then this will be dx. So this will be equal to 5 over 4 times ln absolute x plus 2. Then minus 1 over 8. Then this will be integral of 2x minus 2 dx, that will be du. So du over u. Then how about the last integration? So I have now 1/4. Then I will simplify this one. So this will be dx. Then I will have the completing the square. So this will be x squared. Then minus 2x. Then divide by 2 and then squared. That will be plus 1. Then this will be plus 4 minus 1. Okay, that's the way how to complete the square. So I have now ln absolute, circle brackets, x plus 2 raised to the power of 5 over 4. Then this will be minus 1 over 8. So integral of du over u, that will be times ln u plus minus 1 over 4. Then I have the integral of dx over circle brackets. I will make this one in binomial form. So minus 1 squared, and then this will be plus 3. Okay? So this is inverse trigonometric function. Actually, this given is involving algebra, partial fraction, and then inverse trigonometric function, because this is arctan plus. Okay, so this will be ln absolute, circle brackets, x plus 2 raised to 5 over 4, then minus 1 over 8, then ln absolute. What is u? U is x squared minus 2x plus 4. Then this will be minus 1 over 4, then integral of dx over circle brackets, x minus 1 squared plus 3. Okay? Then I will erase this portion. Okay, so this will be equal to ln absolute, circle brackets, x plus 2 raised to 5 over 4. Then minus, simplify this one. So this will be ln absolute, circle brackets, x squared minus 2x plus 4. So actually, I'll just do this one using natural logarithm. So if we have ln, if we have k, then ln a, so this will be equal to ln a absolute, then raised to power of k. Okay, this is the same. So I'll just make this one as our exponent. 1/8 will become exponent. So this will be raised to 1 over 8. Okay, then this one will be minus 1 over 4. Then actually this is same as u squared plus square root of 3. So in here, u will be x minus 1. Then a is square root of 3. Okay? So this will be, formula will be, if we have this formula, du over a squared plus, no, it should be the same. U squared plus a squared. This will be equal to 1 over a times arctan, circle brackets, u over a, then this will be plus c. So that's why we always distinguish which are u and then a. So square root of x minus 1, this is squared, right? Square root will be x minus 1. Then square root of 3, that will be square root of 3. So I have now, this will be integral of, this will be du, because u is x minus 1. U is x minus 1. Then differentiating, du equals dx. So this will be du over u squared plus a squared. So this will be ln absolute, circle brackets, x plus 2 raised to 5 over 4, then minus ln absolute, circle brackets, x squared minus 2x plus 4 raised to 1 over 8. Then this will be minus 1 over 4. Formula will be times a times arc tan, circle brackets, u over a. Then this will be plus c. Okay? So this will be equal to ln absolute, circle brackets, x plus 2 raised to 5 over 4, then minus ln absolute, circle brackets, x squared minus 2x plus 4 raised to 1 over 8, then minus 1 over 4 times 1 over a. A is square root of 3. Then I will rationalize because there is square root. So multiply square root by square root of 3 over square root of 3. Then this will be arctan. Arctan u is x minus 1. Then this will be over square root of 3. Then multiply by square root of 3 over square root of 3. Then this will be plus c. Okay? So allow me to erase, then I will start in here because it's too long for the solution. So this will be ln absolute, circle brackets, x plus 2 raised to 5 over 4. Then this will be minus ln absolute, circle brackets, x squared minus 2x plus 4 raised to 1/8 power. Then this will be minus 1 times 1 times square root of 3, that will be square root of 3. Then 4 times 3, because this one will be 3 raised to 1/2 plus 1/2, that will be equal to 3 to the power of 1. So this will be 12. Okay? 12 then times arctan. U is circle brackets, this will be x minus 1. Then times square root of 3. Then this will be over 3. Then I will use square brackets. Okay? Then plus c. Okay, so to simplify, take note in our trigonometry during our high school days, if we have ln A minus ln B absolute, this will be equal to ln absolute A over B. Okay, so I will make this one the same as ln A over B. So this will be equal to ln absolute. So this will be circle brackets x plus 2 raised to 5 over 4. Then this will be over circle brackets x squared minus 2x plus 4 raised to the power of 1 over 8 absolute. Then this will be minus square root of 3 over 12 times arctan, then square brackets, this will be circle brackets x minus 1 times square root of 3, then this will be over 3, then this will be plus c. Okay, so to come up with my final answer, this will be my final answer. So I will simplify this one. So ln absolute, so this will be x, I will make it 1, so this will be x plus 2, then this will be raised to 5, then this will be over circle brackets, I will do this one as same. Yeah, x squared minus 2x plus 4 to the power of 32. Then I will make this one as square brackets, then raised to the power of 1 over 4. This will be 1 over 4. Very small. Okay, 1 over 4. Then minus cube root, square root, square root of 3 over 12 times arctan. Then square brackets, circle brackets, x minus 1 times square root of 3. Then this will be over 3. Then this will be plus c. I thought this will be my final answer, but I have to write this one in radical form. So allow me to erase at the top. Actually, this will be now my final answer. From here, so this will be equal to ln, absolute. So this will be fourth root. Okay, fourth root of x plus 2 raised to the 5th power. Then this will be over circle brackets x squared minus 2x plus 4 raised to the power of 32. Then this will be absolute, symbol of absolute. Okay, this is absolute. Then minus square root of 3. Then over 12 times arctan. Square brackets. This will be circle brackets x minus 1 times square root of 3. Then this will be over 3. Then close with square brackets, and then this will be plus. This will be plus c. Okay? So I think this will be now my final answer of integral of x squared minus 3x plus 5 all over by x cubed plus 8 dx is equal to ln absolute fourth root of circle brackets x plus 2 raised to the 5th power over circle brackets x squared minus 2x plus 4 raised to the power of 32 minus square root of 3 over 12 times arctan square brackets circle brackets x minus 1 times square root of 3 over 3 plus c. I think that's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding this matter, just leave your comment or comments in the comment section. Then, if you agree with me, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz Max TV. Thanks for watching.